out to Midlands. Scott has picked me up. I was really hoping he wasn't a freak, you know. But turns out we have met before, so that's good. I was like, I don't know this guy. But turns out you're not. Well, maybe you are a freak. Are you going to kill me, Scott?
Maybe.
Yeah, okay. Where are we going at? Where are we going?
Goat farm.
The goat farm, Midlands. Apparently Brett's done this. What do we got here, mate? Sport Tracks 400. I wonder how fast those things go.
They're pretty good.
Yeah, that looks like heaps of fun. KTM. It's a real paradise, Perth. Just everyone's got that, you know, that spare bit of money to just buy fucking cool shit, you know? What are we doing, Brett? Let's move back here. I'll tell you that. Well, you move back here. Yeah, anyway. So, mate, is this the rig I'm riding today?
Yeah, it's the wife's, mate.
Brett told me that these were all weather stickers, but
well,
the lady...
That's your no donks on the other side, mate, so it's held up well.
Oh, really? Oh, the lady who makes stickers in a living room has failed us. Who would have thought? That's so funny. Scott's rig. Take us through it, mate.
$500, Facebook Marketplace, bargain. 29er.
Man. 700. I'll give you 700 for it.
Here you go, mate.
Alright, mate, we haven't warmed up or anything, but let's see how we go on the jumps, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, mate, let's see how we go. Fuck. Whoa, so good. Come on, get some more fucking speed. Oh, yes, nice. Oh, didn't clear that one. Oh man. All right, takes you like 1 minute to get down. Gotcha. Try this one maybe. Oh, this is sick. I didn't realise how big the climb would be. Rudy. But I think it'll be worth it. Blow one.
Yeah. I'll see at the bottom.
Alright, mate. Alright. Let's see how this goes, huh? Shit, I better change my gears. Oh, that's how you clear a fucking tabletop, brother. Don't know if I'm going to clear this one though. No, definitely not. Wow, this is sweet. Oh, nearly went over the berm. Got to work on my berm skills a bit more. I'm using the brake. Not meant to do that. Oh, far out. That was awesome. Nearly went off there. Fuck, I was getting some speed. Jesus Christ. The 26 wheel Trek is doing well. Shit. Oh, he's off again.
Just go down. Oh no, yes, it is. Hang on.
Ah, that was close.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to try the blue tongue out.
Yeah, go for it.
It's a bit more chill. Oh ho ho! Shit, I'm on a Scott's 29 an hour. Almost prefer the 26er, it's a bit more fun. Oh, this is sick. Oh, bit of mud. I will have to watch it. That one all right? Ooh. Did not see that rock garden. Smash a rock garden, but I did not see that one coming till the last minute. Oh yes. No, came up short of that. Fuck. Whoa. God damn, this is fun. Wish I hadn't. Probably should have came down a bit slower. Oh, so many good rock gardens. This is crazy. Whoa, look at this. Better watch it, I've got to get a flight. Went around that one. Feel ashamed. You can see the little patches where people have fucking just jammed on the brakes flying down this. Okay. Up a draft. Right. Now just look at all these sweet rigs of Perth. Like just V8, you know, Land Cruisers. Just like this sweet van this guy just had. Troopy. Look at that. Personalised number plates. Alright. What's happening this part there? Oh, little bit there. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, what did you think? Alright, man?
Yeah, it was good. I was a little pussy, but it was good.
I was like, I went in, I had the little bike, and I crushed this tabletop the first time, just went over it. I was like, hell yeah. I'm fucking schooling Brett. I'm showing him how to get over a tabletop, you know. And then I whooshed out for the rest of them. Yeah, after overshooting 2 corners, yeah. I was like, fuck.
I'm still blaming COVID for that shit.
Oh, well, that's all right. I made my flight. I mean, I'm gonna make my flight, which is fine. I could just see myself having the biggest crash and then having to go to hospital. It cost me like thousands of dollars. But anyway, I'll be all right. That's excuses. It's such a good track though. Really awesome. I'd love to just spend a whole day out here just going for it, you know.